How's it going, guys? Carey with DrillFit Training. Today I'm going to show y'all the hammer strength lateral raise machine. This is for your middle delts or the middle portion of your shoulder. Adjustment to be made is the seat moves up and down according to your height. You want to put the seat high enough to where the pad right here places right above your elbow. That's going to give you the least amount of harsh tension as you come out and do the lateral raise. When performing this exercise, you can come up just slightly higher than parallel, but not too much past to where your traps are going to take over and you start incorporating those more than just hitting that shoulder. I'll go ahead and do a couple of reps here to show you. You also want to keep your abdomen into this front pad. That's going to help keep your core braced as you go through the exercise. I recommend starting with a little bit lighter weight so you can get the activation on that middle delt, and then you can increment up the weight from there. And that is the hammer strength lateral raise.